This video will teach you how to change an Excel sheet from a read-only status. Open your project in Excel. Click the File tab. You'll find this in the upper left tab of your document or running along the top of your screen. Click Info. You'll see this in the left side menu. Select Protect Workbook. A drop-down menu will open. Select Always Open, Read Only. This will change your document from prompting to open in a read-only status. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.